So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Himani Yadav, currently pursuing fashion design at NIFT, and I recently have completed my third year and now we are going for internship. Anyways, so those who are coming into NIFT or planning to come into NIFT, so here's a video like what exactly NIFT is and the things you should know before getting into your college. So yeah, here we go. So NIFT is much more what you think about glamorous world. People only see on social media, but social media सिर्फ उतना ही दिखाता है जितना आप देखना चाहते हो शायद. The glamorous world. In NIFT, glamorous world is 1%. It's our reality. Like glamorous world सिर्फ 1% ही होता है. The process behind it is such a long and very tired process. I can say that. Like you only see perfect outfit, shooting, इधर runway shows हो रहे हैं, इधर like ये चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है. It's not the NIFT. The NIFT is something which changes you a lot. Like I can say that you not only learn about the glamorous world, you do a long process behind it to make that world looks like a very fantastic. But the thing is, you made outfits, you made corrections, you didn't sleep for like 2 to 3 days, 5 days. Like मेरा जब जूरी में था मैं 3 से 4 दिन नहीं सोई थी. This happens. So if you are coming to NIFT, think about why do you want to come into a NIFT. Please. The thing is that people come here for the thinking like they will do only sketching. They are into arts, they are not into design. So first think about what you want to get from NIFT and what you want to learn from NIFT and what actually NIFT is. NIFT is all about design, telling storytelling. So it's much more what you think or what you see on social media. So NIFT does not have exams, they have juries. So what is jury? Like उसमें 3 से 4 का panel आता है और they will judge you on the basis of your work that you present in juries. Like other colleges में तो exam होते हैं, you will return एक दिन पहले करके कर दिया. But in NIFT it's totally different. Like the person who is sitting in front of you will give you marks, will decide your future. I can say that. So there is a little irony in this. That's my personal experience. Like nobody likes everything. Think always. If you have a bad jury, remember that सबको सब नहीं पसंद आता. Might be someone who is sitting in front of you are a minimal person who always like minimal palette, color जिसको brown मतलब white ये सभी पसंद आते हो. But you are a loud person, you are a bold person who always works on bold color palette, bold silhouettes. So the person who will give you marks in front of you that is sitting, he will judge on the basis of their perspective, not your perspective. So in this field, creativity matters the most. I can say that. The thing is, don't worry about your marks you are getting in NIFT. Like totally, portfolio ही मैटर करता है इस फील्ड में. Like जो तुमने वर्क किया है सिर्फ वही मैटर करेगा, ना कि तुम्हारे मार्क्स. Like there are brands, इधर स्ट्रीट वेयर ब्रांड है और इधर इंडियन ब्रांड है. बट यू वर्क इन स्ट्रीट वेयर. लाइक मेरा जो भी मैं आई ऑलवेज वर्क ऑन स्ट्रीट वेयर, बट दैट आई एम गिविंग जूरी ऑफ इंडियन वेयर. हाँ, इंडियन वेयर एक सब्जेक्ट होता है. तो मैं अपना फिर भी थोड़ा एस्थेटिक्स में डालूंगी. लाइक आई एम अ बोल्ड पर्सन, आई ऑलवेज वर्क ऑन बोल्ड कलर्स. मेरे ज़्यादातर मेजर कलर्स ब्लू, रेड और ब्लैक के होते हैं इन ऑल द जूरी. जो विल से 3-4 कलर घुमा फिरा के, क्योंकि आई ऑलवेज work on these color and comfortable. But in Indian jury में क्या हुआ, and also one thing that in design you will always offer what you see, generally your surroundings. तो यही सब होता है. Indian wear में क्या हुआ, we work on सूट एंड सलवार. लाइक पूरा सेट बनाया था, उसका ensemble था. एंड हमने फेस्टिवल लिया था रक्षाबंधन. बट दे वॉन्ट वेरी cool palette and fresh color, but what I see, like हम लोग तो heavy पहनते हैं. And so me and my friend work on dark palette like red, brown. So they were like no, ये रक्षाबंधन पे ही नहीं जाएंगे. So that's the thing. And all वहाँ पे सबको पसंद आया, but they don't like it. So that's the problem. They will judge you on the basis of their perspective, what they are like. So don't think about the marks, think about the work. Always work different, present it very well, you will get marks on the presentation. And मैंने ये सब देखा है कि जिसका काम भी अच्छे नहीं होता but they present it very well, they will get very good marks, very good. So work on your presentation, work on your work, the main thing, work on your creativity, do everything what you want to do, go and do experiment as much as you can. Don't think about marks. निफ्ट जो आपको देगा ना वो कोई और वो नहीं देगा, मतलब आपको फ्रीडम है, डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. जूरी इज जस्ट फॉर 1 month. एट द एंड the work goes on your portfolio, and where you applied it will show your portfolio. They will see your portfolio, not your CGPA. So work on your portfolio more. And I will say that ki document what you have done in your first year, second year, third year. जब भी document करके ख़त्म करो, put it in your portfolio, put it on Behance, where you want to put, just put it and document everything. This will help you a lot, trust me. Next thing you need to know about NIFT is the expensive are more than your college fees. Yes, it costs you a kidney. It will, मुझे लगता है मुझे दे देनी पड़ेगी कुछ टाइम बाद. So if you're in FD, like you pay for sampling, swatches, fabric, these swatches. Generally we have to put by 6 by 6 inches, 4 by 4 inches or 8 by 8 inches के swatches in our board, but nobody gives you these little swatches क्योंकि उनके लिए भी वेस्ट है फिर वो फैब्रिक. तो आपके लिए 8 by 8 swatches के लिए, even 4 by 4 swatches के लिए you have to buy half meter of fabric. It might be 500 meter, it might be 800 रुपये मीटर, it might be 200 रुपये मीटर. मतलब के पैसे वेस्ट है टेक्निकली. तो the thing is that you even pay like thousands for one project. Recently I have done one garment, and in this almost I've costed like 5,000 per garment. And other things like you pay for boards, printing and all, like it costs you a lot. Expensive are much more what you think. And if you are in FC तो आपको प्रिंटिंग की कॉस्ट आ जाएगी, VM की कॉस्ट आ जाएगी. And if you are in FTD, yarn dyeing, swatches and all. So please पहले ही थोड़ा सोच के चले कि कॉस्ट को कैसे मैनेज करना है, क्योंकि एक्सपेंसेस आर हाई ओवर देयर. और निफ्ट जिस एरिया में होगा उस हिसाब से एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ जाएंगे. लाइक पंचकुला स्टिल नॉर्मल एरिया में है तो इतना नहीं होता, बट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, मुंबई, तो वहाँ के कॉस्ट तो ऑब्वियसली सिटी के हिसाब से एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. सो थिंक अबाउट इट. So at the end, NIFT is not easy, but it's actually hectic. It is. Like 3 दिन नहीं सोना, 4 दिन नहीं सो पा रहे, अगले दिन जूरी है, सूट के जा रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं पता, तैयार होकर जा रहे हैं. यार सोए नहीं हो तुम 4 दिन से, पर तुम तैयार होकर जा रहे हो. क्यों? जब तुम्हें जूरी तुम्हें जज करेगी तुमने क्या पहना है. So NIFT is beyond what you think. It's much more. So this is for this video, and my experience is good about NIFT. NIFT changes you a lot. Like आप एकदम डिसिप्लिन बन जाते हो, क्योंकि बस टाइम ही नहीं होता कुछ और करने के लिए. तो आपके पास वही करते करते कंसिस्टेंसी भी आ जाती है, सब कुछ आ जाता है. So this is for this video. अगर आपको if you have anything, if you wants to ask something, that you can DM me. So here we go. Bye.